This whole scene is like stepping out from a fairy tale. With that appearance, she can get not only cat food, but everything in this world. Didn't know that a single facial expression could make me laugh that hard. If you want to summarize cats in just one word, sleepy is a choice. Fighting with planned strategy? Nah, these guys just go all out. Oh, you catch me. Anyway, do you mind cleaning these for me? Think about what you did wrong, or they'll look like that all day.
He went to go bite her ear. As you could see, his little mouth still open, and he fell asleep. Like, what?
For cats, even the fiercest battles always start with the most adorable rituals. Stretching